here's a make and model that's becoming more and more popular in this body style. 1986 Chevrolet Camaro IROC-Z. Nice looking Z28. This is in bright blue, number 23 paint code, with black custom sport cloth bucket seats. And that is the way this car would have came from General Motors back in 1986. Underneath the hood, 5-liter TPI V8 engine, paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Now, as far as the paint on this, I mean, it does show nicely. You can see nice reflection to it. Take a look at the showroom behind me off the side of the car here. You can see that. Nice luster to this paint. Really looks good with those chrome IROC style wheels. 4-wheel disc brakes, all corners on this car. Now, you come up to the front, you do see a little wear showing this car. It has been driven, but overall, very nice shape. You can take this to any of your local shows, cruise-ins, be proud of it. A couple little spots right there. But overall, it does show nice, but just want to make sure it's not absolutely perfect. But overall, again, very nice. Now, as far as very nice, take a look at the underside pictures of this car. I was amazed when I was underneath there, took some pictures of it. Very good shape. This was a North Dakota car, and it shows. Check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. You can call us too, 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer what we can about this car for you. Give you our opinion. We do have technicians that go through them. So they fill out a list that they go down and check over, inspection list. Be happy to go over that with you too. See the interior dash, nice shape, not cracked up on the top. Seats are what you'd expect. Not full of rips, tears. Also show nice. This car does have a clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Glass T-top car, CC1 RPO code. I have them in the back container. Locking straps. See, they're out of the car. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation of this vehicle and may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now, one thing I want to point out is these rear blacked out taillights. This is just a formed plastic that's on there with Velcro. I left them on there just to show you. Don't drive them on the highway or the roads. That's for sure show only. Just want to let you know that. I don't think law enforcement will probably take too highly to those. Check with your local and state laws on that, but show use only. Can't say I didn't warn you. There also is headlight covers in the front too for show purposes only that will cover up the headlights at an angle. I have those in the car. They will go with the car. If you want to use them for show, it's great. Just keep them off down the highway. See how straight it is up and down the driver's side here also. Again, not full of dings, nicks, or scratches. You're going to find a few. Here's one little one I wanted to show. I mean, yeah, there's a couple. I think there's one on the passenger side. I could maybe point out, or if that's the one on the driver's side I was thinking of. Yeah, there was one over here. Let me show you while I got the camera out, if I can get it to show up. Can you see that? Again, not real noticeable. There it is. Right up in that area. It's tough to... There you go. So again, not real noticeable, but kind of want to point them out to you. I'm sure that's something a PDR, paintless dent removal, may be able to take out of there. Alright, let's go over this interior and check this out while we're looking it over. We're going to pop the hood, start it up, let you hear it too. I had the floor mats in. I wanted to show you carpeting. Nice shape on these. Door panels. Power locks. Power mirrors. We also have the power rear hatch release. It also has the auto pull down, so be careful with that. AM/FM cassette player. Again, AC blows cold. I did notice they had added a little water temperature gauge down there. So I'm guessing the one in the dash they're not going by anymore. Strictly go by the one under the dash. Alright, let's fire this one up. Nice sounding car. Alright, I want to tell you a little something else about these. And if you know the Camaros at all, you're going to know what I'm talking about. Down just to the right, below that tachometer, right there, there is a service engine warning light. Now, once in a while that has came on. It's a code 36 when we do the OBD on it. And that's a mass airflow sensor burn-off system. What it was for is, let's say you got a little bit of cottonwood or something on your mass airflow sensor. This system was supposed to burn it off, clean that. Now, as you can see, the car runs great. The mass airflow sensor is working great. But once in a while, that light will trip. It hasn't done it here since I've been running it. But I want to make you aware of that. If you're familiar with these cars at all, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Doesn't really affect how the car operates. As long as that mass airflow sensor is working, you're golden. Slip around to the back of this. Good sounding car. And again, remember, check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Look at the underside. Check out the exhaust. Look at the underside of this. Look at the pans. Look at the floors. You'll see what I'm saying when you look at it. Very, very nice. Now, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to show you the 5-liter TPI underneath the hood and take a look at that. It's very nice and tidy underneath here, as you can see. Looks like a newer compressor for the AC. Possibly hoses there. Everything in working order. Power brakes, power steering. Love the twin port injector on these and look at this engine. Everything appears to be pretty stock. Doesn't look like any major components have been changed, modifications, anything like that. Looking for a nice T-top car. Here it is. One thing I forgot to mention in this was the miles too, wasn't it? Let's take a look. About 99,000, I remember right. 99,000. Showing on the odometer. Again, clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Original color. Appears to have had a repaint. Original interior. Give us a call. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to the still pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.